Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to find wrong GST calculation in Excel. So let's start. So here you can see I have data, invoice number, amount, GST percentage and GST charge amount. So here I'm going to add the one column status. So I type here the status column name. And then in first cell, I'm going to use here the if function to find wrong GST calculation. So first select the cell, type here is equal to, and type if function in bracket, select here the amount of invoice, then add here the asterisk sign, select the GST percentage, then is equal to, select the GST amount charged. Okay, then use the comma, in double quote, type here the correct word. So I just type here correct word. Then use the double quote, comma, double quote, and now type here wrong word. Okay. Then double quote, bracket close and enter. So this GST calculation is correct of this invoice. Then I select the cell and double click on this corner point, and here you see the wrong GST calculation showing the wrong status. Okay. If you want to check, you can check here. So I select the cell is equal to and select the here taxable value, asterisk sign, and select here the 18% GST rate. And here you see 3240 is the correct amount of this invoice GST. Okay, now I select the cell is equal to, select the taxable value, asterisk sign, select the GST percentage, press enter, and here you see 2700 is the correct amount of the GST, and here the wrong mention. So this is the way you can cross check your GST calculation. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.